Hello and good morning dear students. Welcome back to the online class and in today's class we are starting with the new exercise 22b. Okay, so in this exercise also we need to use the same concepts of heights and distance that we have learned using the trigonometric ratios, the angle of elevation and angle of depression. Okay, so in this question number 1, you can see a right angle triangle is given to us. There are two right angle triangles. One is right angle triangle, one is 90 degree at B, and one of the angle is 45 degree, the other angle is 30 degree. This side is x. We need to find the value of x in fact. Okay, so how will we do? We will first take this right angle triangle ABD. So in triangle ABD, I can use tan 45. Tan 45 is equals to in triangle ABD. So turn permanently black. So turn permanently means X and black means BC. So we know what is tan 45. Tan 45 is 1, which is equals to X by BC. So hence BC is also equals to X. So using this right angle triangle, we are getting BC is equals to X. Okay, so now we'll take the another right angle triangle, that is ABD. Sorry, ABC I've taken out here, isn't it? My goodness, ABC. So now I'll take ABD. So in triangle ABD. So in triangle ABD, now the angle I'm taking is 30 degrees. So tan 30 degree equals to turn permanently black, ABD. So turn permanently means X again, and black means 30 plus X. 30 plus X. This is what we will be getting. Okay. Now what is the value for tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 by under root of 3, which is equals to X by 30 plus X. Let's cross multiply it. We will be getting 30 plus X is equals to root 3x. What are we asked to find? We are asked to find the value of x. So what we'll do is we will keep x together. So 30 is equals to root 3x minus x. Let's take x common. So 30 equals to, if we take x common, then I'll be getting root 3 minus 1. Let's drop it out here. So therefore x is equals to 30 divided by root 3 minus 1. Now since we know root 3 minus 1 is an irrational number, so what will I do? I will rationalize it with root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. Okay, please rationalize it. So when you do the rationalization, the denominator is in the formula a plus b, a minus b. So therefore x is equals to 30 into root 3 plus 1 divided by, use the formula, a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square, root 3 square minus 1 square, which means 3 minus 1, which is 2. So denominator you will only get 2. I can cancel it. 2 1s are 2, 2 15s are 30, and therefore I'll write the value of x out here. X is equals to 15 into, what is the value for root 3? Root 3 is 1.732 plus 1. Okay, I hope I'm done till here. I hope you are done till here. Please pause the video and note down till here. I'll clear this. So therefore you will be getting x as 15 into 1.732 plus 1 is 2.732. okay, and when you multiply this, you will be getting the value as 40.98 meter, which is the value of x. Multiplication you can do, boys, so I'm leaving multiplication on you. Please multiply this 2 and you'll be getting 40.98 as the value of x. Okay, so please pause the video and note it down. All right, boys, let's move on to the next sum, that is question number 2. Okay, so question number 2, let's understand the question. The question says, find the height of a tree when it is found that on walking away it find the height of the tree when it is found that on walking away from it 20 meter in a horizontal line through its base, the elevation of the top changes from 60 degree to 30 degree. Okay, so at first, okay, let's draw the figure. AB is your tree. We need to find the height of this tree. We don't know the height. Okay, at first a man is standing out here and he observes at the top of the tree, the angle of elevation of top of the tree is how much? 60 degree. We still don't know the height of the tree. He just observed that it is 60 degree. Now what is doing, he is moving 20 meter this side away from it, 20 meter away from the tree. He is moving this side, so this distance is 20 degree. He moves in such a way the angle of elevation changes from 60 to 30. See, this is 90 degree, then 60, then you keep on decreasing. Okay, am I clear? You keep on decreasing, you'll be 30. Okay, and this side will be 0 later. Okay, so angle of elevation 60 degree, angle of elevation is 30 degree when he moves 20 meter this side away from the tree. And the question is asking you, in that case, what is the height of the tree? So we need to find the height of the tree, boys. Okay, out here. So before we find the height of the tree, again here we have two right angle triangles. One is ABD, one is ABC, and the other one is ABD. Okay, whenever two angles given to us, please see that which is the nearest angle. Okay, because it's 90, nearest to 90 is 60 and 30 is more far. Okay, let's assume this length BC be x. Let us assume let BC is equals to x meter. So now in this right angle triangle, in triangle ABC, what do I notice is, boys, tan 60 degree is equals to turn permanently black, turn permanently black. So turn permanently means AB and black means x. And I know what is tan 60? Tan 60 is root 3. So therefore this is root 3. Tan 60 degree is root 3. So root 3 into x is equals to AB. So therefore I am getting AB as how much? AB as root 3 into x. So therefore we are getting the height of the tree AB as root 3 into x. We need to find the value of x and multiply with root 3. You will get the height. Okay. Now in second right angle triangle, in right angle triangle ABD, now I'll use tan 30. Tan 30 degree is equals to turn permanently black. So tan 30 turn permanently means this AB and black means BD. Tan 30 is 1 by root over 3, which is equals to AB is root 3x and BD is 20 plus x. 20 plus x. So let us cross multiply, boys, again. If I cross multiply, 20 plus x into 1 is 20 plus x, which is equals to root 3 into root 3x is only 3x. So therefore this will give you 20 is equals to 3x minus x, 2x. So which will give you x is equals to 10 meter. So therefore this length is how much? 10 meter. So if this length is 10 meter, therefore can I find the height of the tree? Obviously, therefore height of the tree, which is AB, is given by root 3x. And what is the value for x? X is 10. So therefore 1.732 into 10 will be how much? Please calculate. 1.732 into 10 has to be 17.32. Okay, so 17.32 meter is the height of the tree. So please pause the video and note it down, boys, properly. Alright, boys, question number 3 is very similar to question number 2. Question number 3 is very similar to question number 2. So what you'll do is make the figure, and this time the guy is coming this side towards the building. Okay, the angle of elevation was 30, and when he reached to point C, the angle of elevation is 45. And out here also, I think so, you need to find the height of the building. So here also we need to find the height of the building. In the same way, assume this as x and you'll get the answers. Okay, so this one will be your homework. All right, boys, let's proceed with the next one, that is question number 4. And for question number 4, Let's understand the question. Okay, so question number 4, the question says, from the top of a lighthouse 100-meter high. So this is my lighthouse, okay, which is 100-meter high. This is my lighthouse. So AB is my lighthouse, which is 100-meter high. Okay, so from the top of the lighthouse means from this point A, okay, the angles of depression of two ships are observed 48 degree, 36 degree respectively. Okay, so from this top of the lighthouse and from this point A, okay, it has been observed that the angle of depression of two ships, okay, I have got two ships, one is at point C and one is at point D. Okay, this is ship 1, and here I have ship 2. Okay, the angle of depression is 48 degree and 36 degree. So angle of depression means we know the angle of depression is been drawn according to this imaginary horizontal line. Okay, so angle of depression of first ship is how much? 48 degree. So this angle is 48, and angle of depression of second ship means from here till here, this angle is 36 degree, and we know this and this are parallel to each other. So if this is parallel to each other, then from here till here it is 48. So this angle and this angle alternate angles because they are parallel, and this angle and this angle they are alternate because they are also parallel. So therefore if this is 48, then this is 48. If this is 36, then this is 36. Okay, I hope we are clear till here. Okay, once again we repeat the question. From the top of the lighthouse, it has been observed that the two ships, the angle of depression of two ships are 48 degree and 36 degree respectively. 48 is as closer to 90, so that's why 48 is first, and the 36 is far from 90, so that's why it is 36 out here. Okay, so at point C it is 48, at point D it is 36. The question is asking us, find the distance between two ships. Find the distance between C and D, ship number 1 and ship number 2. Find the distance between two ships in nearest meter if the first one is the ships are on the same side of the lighthouse. If the ships are on the same side of the lighthouse. Okay, so which means this is the lighthouse and they are on the same side. This is number 1. Number 2, if the ships are on opposite sides of the lighthouse. Okay, if the ships are, suppose this is ship number 1 and ship number 2 is that side, that is the second case. Okay, on both the cases we are asked to find the distance between the two ships. Distance between the two ships C and D. Distance between C and D is what we need to find. Okay, all right. So as I know, I have two right angle triangles ABC and ABD. Again, we are going to use the same thing, boys. So in triangle ABC, what will I use? I can use tan 48, but I will not use. I'll tell you why. I know tan 48 is how much? 100 divided by x, and from here I can easily find the value for x, which is x is equals to 100 divided by tan 48. But now what is the problem out here is tan 48, if you look at the value, tan 48 is a decimal number and 4-digit decimal number, 0 point something we will be getting as tan 48. Okay, so denominator there will be a decimal number, and to divide a whole number by decimal number is another big problem. Okay, so what we can do instead of using tan 48 is that I will not use tan 48. Instead of tan 48, what I know is in right angle triangle ABC, the sum of the angles of a triangle is how much? 180. I hope you're clear with this. The sum of the angle, this is 90, 48, then this angle has to be how much? 90 plus 48, so 8 and then 138, right? I'll be getting 138. So 138 plus 42, because 0 and then 80, so 138 plus 42, so therefore this angle should be how much? 42 degree. So hence instead of using tan 48, what will I use is tan 42. Okay, and see what we get. See tan 42, if I use tan 42 in this triangle, then I'll be getting turn permanently black. For 42, this is my perpendicular, x is my perpendicular, so turn permanently black. and here I can now easily find the value of x because 42 into 100 is possible. Okay, and please check the value. Tan 42 degree is 0.9004, 0.9004, which is equals to x by 100, and if you multiply, x is 0.9004 into 100, which will give you as 90.40. Yes, 90.04, 90.04 meter. So the value for x we are getting here is 90.04. So this value is how much? 90.04. Okay, please remember. I hope you're clear till here. Please pause the video and note it down till here. All right, I hope you're clear till here. Now let's take another triangle, that is ABD. So in this triangle ABD, what I know is AB is 100, BD is x plus y. So x till here it is x, till here it is y. So x plus y is BD. This angle is 36. So instead of taking tan 36, now again what I'll take, I'll find this angle first. So 90 plus 36 is 126, and 126 plus 54 is equals to 180. So what will I use? We will be using tan 54. So in this triangle, let's use tan 54. Tan 54 is turned permanently black, x plus y divided by 100. So similarly, tan 54 is how much? Tan 54, please check, you'll be getting 1.3764. 1.3764, and into 100 is actually x plus y. So therefore let's calculate. This will be 137.64, 137.64, which is equals to x plus y. So now what we know is, we know the value for x, right? What is the value for x? 90 point how much? 90.04. So let's put the value 137.64. The value for x is 90.04. Bring this side, so minus 90.04, and this will give us the value of y. So let us calculate, boys, how much we'll get. So your subtraction will be 47.60. I hope I can clear this. In fact, I'll clear this one. Okay, I hope you're clear why I'm not using tan 48 and I'm using tan 42. Okay, so anyway you get like this, please find the other angle. Okay, so therefore here the subtraction of these two will be, y will be how much? 47.60, 47.60 meter. And I know what is y. Y is the distance between the two sips. C and D is y. So therefore this is the distance between the two sips. Okay, you can write down out here, this is the distance between two sips when both of the sips are on same side. Okay, the same thing can be done in part 2 now. Okay, so pause the video and note down till here. All right, now let's move on to the part 2 of this question. We need to find the distance between two sips when they are on opposite side of the lighthouse. Okay, so here the lighthouse is same, so hence it is 100. So therefore here I draw the imaginary horizontal line. So therefore this angle is how much? 48, and this angle is how much? 36, and they are parallel to each other. So if this is 48, then this angle is 48 because alternate, and if this is 36, then this angle is also 36 because they are alternate to each other. Okay, AB is your lighthouse whose height is 100 meter. Okay, now this time the sips are in different directions. Okay, opposite direction. Sip number 1 is out here, sip number 2 is out here. Sip number 1 has angle of elevation 48 degree, sip number 2 has angle of depression 36 degree. Sorry, angle of depression 48, 36. Okay, now I've taken the same things out here. Since it is C, 48, 48, and BC is how much? BC is X. And what is BD? BD is X plus Y. So BD is X plus Y. In case number 2, also we need to find the distance between the two sips. So what is the distance between the two sips? The distance between the two sips is BC plus BD. So distance between the two SIPs, is equals to BC, okay, plus BD. So BC is X and BD is how much? BD is X plus Y. So which means I can put the values out here. What is X? X was 90.04, right? 90.04 plus 90.04 plus 47.60. So if we add all this, then what we'll get is 044. Okay, I'll add and write out here. If we add all this, then you will be getting the value as 227.68 meter. But yes, if you read the question properly, the question says find the answer up to nearest meter. So up to nearest meter means 228 meter, which will be the answer. And here also up to the nearest meter means this will be 48 meter, which will be the answer for us. Okay, so I hope you're clear with this. Please pause the video and note down properly. All right, boys, let's move on to the last question of the day. That is question number 5. The question says, okay, two pillars of equal height stand on the either side of the road, which is 150 meter wide. At a point on the road between the pillars, the elevation of the tops of the pillars are 60 degree and 30 degree. Find the height of the pillar and the position of the point. Okay, so what we have is, we have two pillars of equal heights. So AB is first pillar and CD is your second pillar. Both of them are equal, so that's why I put X, X dash and dash. So AB and CD are pillars which stands on the sides of the road. Okay, this BC is the road whose length is 150 meter. So BC is 150 meter. This is the road, and on the sides of the roads we have two pillars which are in equal heights. Okay, now at a point on the road, at any point on the road, there are two angle of elevation. Okay, one of the angle of elevation is 60 degree, so that's why it is closer to this 90, and other angle of elevation is 30 degree, that's why it is far away from 90. Okay, so take the point as point P, and from point P you make two angle of elevation on first pillar and on the second pillar. Okay, 60 30, 90 90, x x, total is 150. So here we have two right angle triangles. One is right angle triangle ABP. So ABP, use tan 60, you'll get BP equals to how much? X by root over 3. Okay, similarly use triangle DCP. In triangle DCP, use tan 30 degree, turn permanently black, you'll get the value for CP or PC, that is root 3x. But now what I know from the question is, the length of BC is how much? 150, which means x by root 3 plus root 3x should be equals to 150. I hope you're clear with this. According to the question, BC is equals to 150. So BC means x by root 3 plus root 3x is equals to 150. Let's take the LCM. If I take the LCM is root 3, so I'll be getting x plus root 3 into root 3 is 3x, which is equals to 150. So therefore, which means 4x is equals to 150 into root 3. Let's put the value of root 3. So x equals to 150 into 1.732 divided by 4. And if you do all this calculation, you should be getting how much? 64.95. So hence the value for x is equals to 64.95 meter, which means the height of the pillar. This is the height of the pillar. Okay, I hope you are clear till here. Please pause the video and note it down till here. All right, boys, so we got 64.95 as the height of the pillar. So we got the height of the pillar. Okay, fine. Now the question is also asking us, find the position of the point. Where actually is this point P on this road? At which point? We know the length of the road is 150 meter, but at which point is my point P is what we need to find. Okay, by the way, I know that PC is how much? PC is root 3x. PC is root 3x. So let us find what is the actual length of PC. So PC is root 3x, root 3 is 1.732 into x is 64.95, multiply, you will be getting 112.49. So if I subtract 112.49 from 150, then I will be getting exactly at which point is my point P, at which distance or at what distance. Okay, so therefore point P is at a distance of 150 minus 112.49, which is 37.51 meter from one of the pillar, either from this or either from this. You can simply give the answer as the point P is 37.51 meter from one of the pillar. Okay, so I hope you're clear with this, boys. So that's it for today. Please do question number 3 as homework and complete all these 5 sums and submit it to me by tomorrow. I'll see you in the next one from question number 6, 7 onwards. Okay, thank you, take care, practice it properly, and I've made the video in detail so that you guys will understand it properly. So I want you all to practice it properly. Okay, see you, bye bye.